Welcome to the factory of JS Drill. Today we will be looking at the process of forging metal for drill bit. As all metal work starts, with selection of quality alloy melted and molded into a circular block to give the initial shape for the drill bit. Then carefully it's transferred into a cast, where final shape and size is given to the bit. As you know the JS Drill, we can customize drill bits according to different shapes and size depending on the required geological surface, diameter and length. As you can see, we use state-of-the-art machinery to form the shape of the drill bit by precise hammering, by inputting data into the CPU, which then calculates force and number of strikes to make the drill bit. After hammering finishes, the drill bit is sat down to cool its temperature. When the temperature is adequate enough, it is inspected once more to see if there are any flaws before transferring it to the finishing department. If flaws are found, the hammering process starts again until desired results are attained. JS has always been committed to make drilling easier to provide customers with the best and more convenient solutions possible.